So where we are now is we have the box's visibility is invisible. I have it where the handle can turn and the cam can turn and the follower can move, but they all move independently of each other. So I need to start linking them together. So the first step in doing that is to get the handle and the cam to turn together. So I'm going to use a new kind of constraint called an angle constraint. And to do that, I first have to have a work plane through the center of the handle. So I'm going to go over here to the handle and I'm going to double click on it. And double clicking on it takes me over into basically the part view where I can start editing it. And I'm going over here where it says plane, and I'm going to do midway between two planes. And I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to pick that plane there. And I'm going to oops, I lost it. Let's see if I can find it again. Ah, there we go. I'm going to get that plane right there. And then it's going to do midway in between, and I'm done and I'm good. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to hit return, which takes me back to assembly view. And I'm going to go back to home position. So we have there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this plane here and constrain it to this little skinny guy right here. And I'm going to use an angle constraint because I want this little skinny guy and this plane right here to always be at 0 degrees with each other. So I go up here, click on constraint, and then I'm going to click on angle, and then I just simply select my planes. And okay, I did that and it didn't work. It defaults to this guy, which I never get to work right. I'm going to go over here and select directed angle, and now it snapped into place and it's good. And I'll hit OK. And I now have it where the cam is turning with the handle. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up some stuff to make it easier to work with, but I'm going to do that in the new video so that these videos are not too long.